Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 with RMC system. So we have the screen over here, we have the control panel, the main unit, which is over here, and this is the same unit as you will find in Audi A1, I believe. Today I want to quickly show you how to force reboot the system. If for some reason you have to reboot it, maybe the navigation is freezing, maybe you made some coding changes and need to reboot the system for those changes to apply to the current configuration. So what you need to do is locate the control panel over here, and we are going to press at the same time three buttons: the back button, which is over here, the control knob, which is over here, and the upper right software button, which is over here. So shortly press those three buttons and you will see that the screen will go off, and a few seconds later you will see the Audi logo over here, and after half a minute the system will be back on. So let me show you how this works. Let's just grab an angle so we can see both the control panel and the screen, the back button, the control knob, and the upper right button at the same time. And you can see that the screen is off, and right now we can see the Audi Multimedia logo over here, and the system is rebooting. So in about half a minute it will be back on, and that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.